when somebody dies and you put them to rest and you have a funeral and them sort of thing, you sort of put that to rest in your mind, and you sort of have that final goodbye, if you like. And we still haven't had that, even though we've had the police obviously telling us this, the items that they brought back, and them having proof of human decomposition. We can't prove whether that is Ben's or not yet, but maybe in years to come that they can prove that, and then that is evidence for us that he has gone, and that then we can concentrate on looking for his remains to bring home, to remember, and for us to go, and that's the final piece, really. But until we get that, we're still sort of in limbo, basically. We're still sort of in the same position that we've been for the last 26 years now.
Ben Needham, blood found on sandal and inside toy car. Signs of blood have been found on part of a sandal and on soil inside a toy car recovered by police searching for missing Sheffield toddler Ben Needham. Ben was 21 months old when he disappeared on the Greek island of Kos in July 1991. South Yorkshire Police said forensic work was being carried out in Aberdeen to try to extract DNA from the items. Det Inspector Jon Cousins said it was still his professional belief Ben died in an accident at the farmhouse. Details of the findings have been released on the 26th anniversary of Ben's disappearance. Ben went missing while playing near a farmhouse, which was being renovated by his grandfather in Heracles. An extensive 21-day search of land around the building and a second site 750 meters, 820 yards, away took place in October after it emerged that toddler may have been crushed to death by a digger working on the site. About 60 items discovered during the search were brought back to the UK for analysis, some of which were sent for testing at the James Hutton Institute in Aberdeen. Professor Lorna Dawson, head of the Soil Forensics Group, said the team of scientists had discovered the profile indicative of human blood decomposition on a fragment of a sandal. The profile had also been found on soil from inside a toy car, however, the stronger signal had been found on the footwear sandal, she said. Professor Dawson said the discovery was the chemical fingerprint of compounds left behind when there has been decomposition or decay. There's a strong indication from this chemical profile that this was present on those items as a result of blood decomposition, she said. It's significant in identifying that there had been a human who had bled in contact with those items. The biologist has to come in now and identify who left that blood on that item by extracting the DNA. Det Inspector Cousins said, based on the facts and the information obtained, as previously stated, it is still my professional belief that Ben died as a result of a tragic incident at the farmhouse involving heavy machinery. It's my belief that the findings corroborate and strengthen that theory. The Needham family has been informed and the force would continue to assist the Greek authorities with any ongoing inquiries, South Yorkshire Police said. A toy car thought to belong to missing toddler Ben Needham was found during police searches on Kos, according to the Find Ben Needham campaign. The 21-month-old, from Sheffield, went missing on the Greek island in 1991. Police said on Monday they believed he died as a result of an accident on the day he disappeared. Here is a timeline of events charting the disappearance of Sheffield toddler Ben Needham on the Greek island of Kos 25 years ago. July 24, 1991, Ben Needham vanishes while playing near the grounds of a farmhouse in the Heracles region of Kos, which his family are renovating. His mother, Carrie Needham, and grandparents raise the alarm with local police and conduct a full search of the area. July 26, 1991, eyewitness reports claim a boy matching Ben's description was found at the local airport on the day he disappeared. That boy has never been traced. September 1991, the Needham family returned to England due to illness but vow to continue the search. June 2003, the Metropolitan Police issue an image of what Ben might look like at age 12 to 14 years old. 2004, An anonymous businessman offers a reward of £500,000 for information leading to Ben's safe return. October 2010, another public appeal is made by Ben's mother in the run-up to what would be his 21st birthday. May 2011, the BBC airs a programme called Missing 2011, which includes a piece on Ben's story and the campaign to find him. September 2011, Greek police on Kos officially reopen the case and grant the family a face-to-face meeting with the island's prosecutor. October 2012, South Yorkshire Police in Kos begin digging up mounds around the property where Ben went missing to look for his remains. A sandal matching the ones he was wearing on the day he vanished is found. December 2013, Ben's mother accuses then Prime Minister David Cameron of not giving her case the same backing as he gave the parents of Madeleine McCann. It comes as a dossier is produced containing reports from 8 witnesses, none of who know each other, who all saw a boy possibly matching Ben's description with the same Greek family. December 2014, lawyers representing Ben's family say they may take legal action to try to force the government to make a decision about funding a new police investigation. January 2015, the Home Office agrees to fund a team of British detectives to help search for the toddler. April 2015, 3 generations of Ben Needham's family travel to Greece to follow up a strong lead that a man living there believes he may be the missing Brit due to having no photographs of himself under the age of 2 and no knowledge of where he was born. The man is later ruled out. May 2015, Ben's family make a fresh appeal on Greek television for information regarding the disappearance. May 2016, The Sun newspaper publishes a report that members of the police operation go on an 8-hour booze-up in Kos during the latest stage of the investigation. September 2016, Ben's family are told to prepare for the worst by detectives leading the investigation, amid the belief the 21-month-old was crushed to death by a digger, the driver of which died in 2015. It comes as police arrive in Kos to begin excavation work in the belief the boy's remains may be buried near the farmhouse. The toy car is discovered around 750 meters from where he was last seen. July 2017, chemical traces found on the sandal and car indicate the presence of a decomposing human body. Samples are sent for DNA analysis to see if the blood can be matched to Ben.